Hi everyone, I am back at Woelfel Homestead today. I don't want to get that car and I want it to be pretty. I just did the balloons inside for the styled shoot. I wasn't in charge of the styled shoot today, but I was invited to it, so I did some really super pretty balloons. I love the colors and how it turned out, so I filmed me setting that up for you to see, and I hope you love it. And please like and subscribe, and definitely go check out the vendors for the styled shoot. I will link everybody down below. Thanks!
Want me to say something? I come up with nothing. Maybe we can talk and